To begin with, it was incredibly easy to find, or rather, we were found. There were only 2 of us, and we were very happy not to be part of a large group. Our guide, Carlos, we weren't quite sure which, explained and showed us everything. It was truly wonderful to be able to observe the animals from a respectful distance. If you listened closely, you could hear the tortoises grazing. The GoPro footage was sent to us via airdrop at the end for better image and video quality. We can wholeheartedly recommend it. We had a great time swimming with the turtles. The guide was great at explaining what we were going to do, identifying various sea life, and answering our questions. He also took great photos and videos of us and what we saw. I would definitely recommend for anyone looking to see some turtles. Highlight of the trip: very good value, had so much fun, and calmed my soul. Highly recommend it to everyone. The tour guide is super nice and professional. I booked this trip last minute while in Playa del Carmen. The price was right and there were many options to book timings. We arrived to the meetup point and met Fernando. From start to finish, this was one of the best experiences of our lives. Not only did we turtles, but Fernando took the time to explain other marine life. Fish, coral and others. Fernando was an exceptional guide and we cannot recommend this tour more. We had a private tour since no one booked and it was just perfect. The area we went to snorkel was not overcrowded and was so peaceful. If you are looking for the best way to see turtles in Akumal, go with this team. Muchas gracias. Rodrigo was amazing. All my children and wife can swim apart from me. I've never been out of my depth before and quite frightened of the sea despite being a 41-year-old grown man. Lol, he was so patient pulling me along on the floated and calmed me when I panicked. The turtles were amazing to see, and all the fish. Would recommend to anyone wanting a personal tour. I saw other tours with 10 to 12 people. This is just you on your own. Highly recommend. We met Harold and Rodolph right on time at the 7-Eleven and walked just a minute to the beach entrance. After a quick briefing and easy access to modern facilities, we were given spotless new snorkel gear and life vests. The water was crystal clear, no sargassum in the turtle zone, and starting early at 8:30 a.m. meant the beach was quiet and the turtles active. Within minutes we swam alongside a huge 15-year-old turtle and a giant stingray, followed by trumpet fish, squid, blue tangs, and more. Harold stayed close throughout, making sure we were comfortable and safe, while my wife enjoyed the beach with just a $7 conservation fee. Unlike the crowded tours we saw, this felt private, calm, and very personal. We left with incredible photos and videos delivered straight to WhatsApp. A must-do VIP experience in Akumal, highly recommended.